Hello everybody, welcome to another series. This series called Broke Founder series. Today I'm gonna talk about my platform, production level code base. How we can organize your code base for production level. Now, what are the best practices all the developers follow, and how you can manage all the things. If you are curious about to build something which can work, so this video for you. Not because I'm gonna share all the things, but because if you are from nothing, that this video is very helpful for you, because I'm gonna show you exactly the raw without editing. So you can see my setup. It's not like fancy setup, and so because I'm from nothing, so what I have, just I'm utilizing. So let's get started. So this is my UI. So my platform, it's called Makeable. You can see it's called Makeable, right? And this platform is all about audio streaming. So the idea is just you can listen any motivational music. Maybe you can listen to audio podcast like that. It's kind of similar to Spotify. So this is my UI. Okay, there is a 4 page. This is the home page. You can see audio, podcast, and new release, and then you can see the second page is discovery page. Right, it's a discovery page. So here you can search. You can search anything. If the video is available, you can see. So you can navigate. Let's say I want to listen to only podcast audio. So this is the audio page. Let's say if you want to navigate podcast, so this page is all about podcast. And let's say you're looking for audios. It's kind of tags. So there is a tag billionaire mindset. So if there is any video, you can see it. So this is the mindset video. So I also introduce a pagination. So one page you can see 10 videos. So the next also have a kind of 8 videos, right? So this is that. And yeah, so I have 5 tags, like 5 discovery tags, like emotion, topics, categories, series, and tags. And yeah, and then it's a library. If you if you like or save any audio, so you can see on this page. So I already saved and liked these videos. So this is my library. And then profile. So this is a profile. You can edit your profile, you can log out, you can delete, and so if you want to upload, so you can navigate to the upload page. So this is my upload page, and this is the dashboard. So yeah, like I upload 9 videos, 9 podcasts, and yeah, so here you can edit your videos, you can delete your videos, whatever, right? So this is the profile, library, explore, home. So now this is the UI. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I organize my code. So first I'm gonna show you client, which means front-end code. Okay, so I'm using technology like React.js, and for state management I'm using Redux toolkits. So you can see here my code base I organized. So just I want to show you how you can organize, not so fancy things. So this is my source folder. Inside source folder I have a bunch of folders. So it's a main folder. This is the apps folder. So here I organize like app root, what layout, main layout. So it's very important. And then component. So I create multiple reusable component. You can see it's you can reuse same things in different page. That's why. And it's a component. So inside the component folder there is a 2 folder, card grid and explore. So I create one time card and I use every page. So you can see on a home page. Now you can see same card on a home page, on explore page, on maybe this page or that page. So because I create one, so So this card grid, and then explore. Inside explore, I have explore grid content, explore grid section, right? So this is the component file folder, and this inside features folder I have audio explore home profile. So yeah, so my platform is 4 page, so I organize in that way. And now I'm gonna walk through pages. As I told you, I already have 4 pages, like explore home, library, and it's just dummy folder, profile, and register. You can see a login, also sign up, reset password, forget password, like that. And inside the store, I have I manage a state. So here is API. So all my route, all my endpoint, I just handle on this file. So this is my backend URL. So yeah, and if you organize this way, so it's very easy to handle it. And if you are familiar with Redux toolkits, so we have to use reducer. So I create a reducer inside the slice. So for name convention, we name it audio slice, dashboard slice, and yeah, and then it's a store. So we manage here all the reducer, right? And this is my main app, app.jx, and I handle this app because I want to clean up this app. So I import from here app route, what layout, main layout, because it's very important, because now it's very difficult to handle layout, because if I close it, so you can see the UI adjusts automatically. It's kind of YouTube type, right? So if I click on it, then the content is adjust based on the week. So because here I'm handling, so inside this app route, what layout, main layout. So yeah, if you don't manage this way, so it's gonna very difficult to handle it. And this is the main layout, and this is the main layout. In this way, if you want to organize, it's gonna helpful. But if you have a other way, you can use it. But this is the best practice. This is all about my front end code base. Now I'm gonna back to my backend. So this is my backend code. So inside this folder, makeable server, you can see config, in this folder. So I handle my cloud. So I'm using Cloudinary, and Cloudinary is all about, it's a software as a service. I upload my videos, audios, image, but Cloudinary is best for images. And MongoDB, it's my database, and then multi-storage, just it's a third-party library to upload videos, audios, and images. And this is the config. You can integrate other platform as well. And yeah, so this is the easy name. And then controller, all the business logic we just writing on this folder. So this is the audio controller. So let's say upload and get audio, toggle like. So yeah, just this video is all about not explaining all the code, but explaining the file structure, right? So yes, that's what I'm just explaining. So I organize audio, search, users, then helper. This file is all about if you have a multiple use case of same function. So you can extract and you can put into other file called helper, and you can use in multiple way. So I have a multiple use case, so that's why I use particularly upload Cloudinary and delete Cloudinary. So if I upload something or if I delete something one Cloudinary, so that's code is all about. Yeah. So inside helper you can create a lot of multiple use case, and then middlewares. Middlewares is a thing like if you want to restrict something or someone to do action. So before doing action, you can you can authenticate. Hey man, you are authenticated or you have a permission like that. So if you don't, you can't use it. You can't doing the action like this. That's why you are using middleware. So here, if you are not, let's say, if you are not users, or let's say you don't have account or you are not logging in, so you can't do these things like like or save. So that's why I'm using a middleware. And then modules like so inside this file we are like we are structure our data, how we can extract data from user. Okay, so we are using schema. As I told you, I'm using MongoDB as a database. That's why, and MongoDB it's all about schema. And inside the schema, we can structure the data. How we can extract the data from user this way. And yeah, so I have multiple schema like body schema, comment schema, series ID schema, subscription, users. And then also we have like node modules, public, routes. Routes is the endpoint. Okay, so we import controller. So as I told you, all the business logic we write on controller, and then we import, and then we integrate with endpoint. And this endpoint, as I told you, I'm handling on backend, on front end here, API. So let's say if I talk about audio, so you can see I'm handling here. So that's what. So this route, and I can call on front end, and then the data, the action I want to. So by doing it, I can do that. And yeah, so this is called route, and the environment variable. So this platform, this file is all about if you integrate any third-party library or third-party platform. So they have a their keys or their secret keys, their public keys. So you have to integrate and you have to put on it, because you don't want to share this code or these things to other people. If you want to share your code to somebody so they can see their code, but if you put these things inside an environment variable, nobody can see it, because this file, and if you upload on GitHub, so when you do it, and GitHub cannot access this file. So that's the file. And then I have app.js and index.js. So I just create two files because I want to. This is my index main file. So yeah, and so you can see there is no code, just it's an entry point. But inside app.js, I have all the code. Right. So this way you can manage it. And this file is a package or JSON, like what if like upload, like what install all the version you can see, like Stripe, NodeMon, and NodeMailer, Malta, Mongoose, and Express, all the extension you can see there version. And yeah, so this is my real code. And yeah, like it's a real platform. So like I can play the music, you can listen to.
Emotional maturity is doing hard things.
You can increase the volume, reduce the volume.
Motivation. Because the world doesn't care how you feel. Rain, pain, setbacks, chaos. For what you'll need. No one gave this to me.
So it's a real platform. You can comment on it. So yeah, you can comment like this, and yeah, you can see comment, and you can see like it's a real platform. And yeah, like so I'm sharing because guys, I think you don't have any technical background. Even I don't have to, but still I'm making it. If you are hungry for learning, you can learn. But the main thing is you should have a mindset. You should have a mindset to do something. And once you create your mindset, and then you can learn anything from anywhere. Because nowadays YouTube is the very good platform to learn anything, to understand anything. And yeah, I learn all the things from YouTube and like all the internet. And yes, I'm sharing from nothing what I can build. And just to show you, like I don't have any fancy setup, just what I have, just as I told you, I'm just utilize it and I'm sharing. And yeah, this video is all about just showing you and like, what's my code base, what's my UI, how I make it. Like it's not the best product I made so far, but what I made I just show you. Yeah, but on this channel I'm just sharing my like startup story and from coding, my study. Because as a founder you have to learn a lot of things, and if you're alone, that means you have like you are everything. You are a CEO, you are a founder, you are a maybe CTO, you are a manager, you are a coder, you are a programmer, you are a designer, everything. So that's all about me. I'm everything. And yeah, so every single day at least I'm uploading one video about my journey. So I called it's a like a series. And but also I'm gonna upload other video regarding business, regarding other things. So if you like my content, or if you want to stick with me to understand like who I am, like how can I build it, so this platform is all about. So if you like this video, so please just like this video, and thank you so much just watching. We end.